already know Chilltown Buzz. We in the building, 2014 Hottest of Atlanta Awards. It's your folk Booty the Boss Player. I'm here with my TC. You know we getting it in, man. With the whole Chilltown Buzz, man, we going hard in the city. You know that. All over the city.
DJ Doc Dice with OHP TV, ATL's hottest 6th annual. I'm on the red carpet. We're interviewing people out here. It's looking real good. Get a look at the shoes, got the socks, popping the ties. This is the fashion. Hey, I can't even pronounce who this is. Giorgio Bassino. This is how we doing it, baby. Funky fresh, dressed to impress, ready to party. We got the queen on the premises. How you doing, young lady?
I'm spectacular here at the 6th annual ATL's Hottest Entertainment Awards.
Doing the red carpet and the fashion is popping. You looking real nice in your dress. Badal. Hairstyle. You got it done in one place or you went to a few different places this year?
Okay, so the Wilson sisters made this dress for me, especially for this event.
Nice.
So had to drop that plug for them. And then Brenda at Cute Cuts actually did my hair before I walked in here today, so yeah.
I can't wait to do some interviews. A lot of extraordinary looking people out here today, would you say?
Oh, they're always fabulous. This is the 6th year. We're really excited about what's about to take place today. We have a lot of awards they're going to give out, and we have a lot of exciting people we're going to meet. So here we are on our fabulous red carpet. We can't wait to turn around and get to it.
ATL's hottest 6th annual award show. Let's see who won. We got comedian Miss Wall Street in the building on the red carpet at ATL's hottest. How you doing?
I am doing fabulous. How are you?
I'm doing great. Good to see you out. You've been making your moves out here in the city.
Yes, that's right. Wall Street is in the building everywhere.
How about that?
You saw me on Real Women, Real Issues, the Dee Armstrong Show.
Oh.
I've been doing a lot of stuff.
Okay.
Clean comedy is really where it's at these days.
Really?
I was at the J Spot in LA. I did a Sapphire Club in Vegas. I have been on the road all year. I did 4 shows yesterday.
Nice. So what did you like most about comedy? What got you into comedy?
Man, y'all been about me in the comedy. I needed something to laugh about.
Really?
Yeah, y'all are stressed woman out.
Really? Well, hopefully we can change that tonight here at ATL's hottest.
All right, I'm excited to be here. I've heard so much about the show. I know that Brian does his thing with this.
Yeah.
My guy, E-Love, he's on my comedy team. He's hosting Boomerang and I. We formed a comedy team in the ATL. Yeah, so we're taking over. Clean Joke Nation is taking over the ATL.
Oh, that's what's up. Anybody trying to keep up with you and your touring, how can they keep in touch with you?
Well, I'm on Facebook as MZ Wall Street. I'm on Twitter as comic_Miss Wall Street. Same on Instagram. You can follow me. I'm everywhere. I'm the hottest. And they better get me now before I do Mike Jones on them. Back then they didn't know me. Now I'm out your arm.
Man, they all on you, huh?
That's right.
Miss Wall Street, good to see you. Thank you for coming to the red carpet with your Mr. DJ Doc Dice with OHP TV. What's up with that?
What?
That's my plug. We got Terry Moore on the red carpet. He doing his thing. How you doing tonight?
How you doing, sir? Good to be here. Good to
Thank
be
you,
here.
man. Welcome to the red carpet.
Oh, most definitely. Glad to be here, man.
I hope you enjoy yourself, man.
Oh, yes, absolutely. It's an honor.
CEO founders, ATL's hottest. We are on the red carpet. Look at these gentlemen. Talk about fashion. It's popping, boy, head to toe. How y'all doing tonight, gentlemen?
Man, we're doing awesome, man. It's good to see the turnout tonight. Look like everybody's having a good time. So, yeah, we're excited.
Man, we truly blessed and highly favored, man. Happy to be here. Happy to be a part of the ATLS Hottest 6th annual ATLS Hottest Entertainment Awards at 595 North. Absolutely.
Thank you, gentlemen. I'm looking forward to a big night.
Yeah, we're looking forward to a big night. They're showing up. We're excited about it.
OHP TV, baby. Got my man on the red carpet. How you doing tonight, big boy?
What up, y'all? It's your man, Big Ray, a.k.a. Van Groove. What's going down, man?
It's good, man. It's looking good in here. You feeling good about tonight?
I'm feeling real good about tonight. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Patch Key Entertainment, ATL Hottest Awards.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, it gives those who's out there grinding, who's real grinding, you know, some acknowledgement.
Now, I wanted to ask you a question last year when I saw you. There's a lot of entertainers coming up in the city of Atlanta, state of Georgia. Would you have any sound advice you can give somebody just starting out?
keep it real with your own self. You know what I'm saying? That you may have something that you think sounds good, but everybody else may not think it sounds good. So you know, you gotta do it for the people. You gotta do it for the people. You know what I'm saying?
No doubt.
So and always keep hustling. Always don't think that you've come to the pinnacle.
Right.
You know, there's always more. You get above the glass ceiling.
Absolutely.
So there you go.
You heard it right here. Credible. OHP TV, baby. What's up with that?
Tino Music.
You performing tonight, aren't you, man?
I'm performing tonight, man.
Introduce yourself.
What's up, man? My name's Garcia V. I'm coming out of Kissimmee, Florida, man. Riding out here from Clearwater tonight, man. I'm happy to be here, bro.
That's what's up. What type of music exactly are you bringing tonight?
Tonight I'm bringing some hip hop to y'all, but I'm a songwriter, singer, everything, man. I try to deliver as much as I can. Feel me?
Wow. Who would you like to work with in the industry if you were to do a collab with somebody?
Honestly, Joel Ortiz, man. Joel Ortiz, Nas, Jay-Z, Drake. Yeah, man.
Breezy and Dirty Mike, ladies and gentlemen, with your Mr. DJ Doc Dice, OHP TV. What y'all bringing today?
Oh, today we just came out to show support. Shout out to my publicist at Push 2.0. Just came to check out the rest of Atlanta's hottest artists that we got right now.
Okay, I'm hearing y'all with a label. Which label is that?
ATR Records.
ATR Records, ladies and gentlemen. Never look that up. Y'all doing big things this year?
Oh, yeah. Most definitely.
Welcome to the red carpet with ATL's hottest. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the entertainer. Goes by the name of Shaq. What's up, brother?
Doing good, man. How you doing, man?
I'm good, man. Welcome to the red carpet, ATL's hot.
Thank you. I like it, man. It look good. I like it.
What you doing tonight? You just coming out to support? You performing?
I'm presenting an award also.
Oh, you presenting?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All right,
sir.
you know what you presenting?
I don't know yet, but I will know soon. So.
How about that? A lot of energy, ATL's hottest 6th annual awards. I'm here with Keith Gervais, my man here to present an award. Which one you present?
Tell you the truth, I'm not even sure yet.
How about that? I'm hearing that a lot tonight. There's a lot of surprises in the air.
I'm telling you, I'm excited to be here tonight. It's my first time coming here, and I'm just real happy and privileged to be here tonight. So I'm excited.
I heard you had an artist here tonight as well. Who is this artist?
I have an artist coming. Her name is Marley Blue. She'll be here any minute now. You know, you gotta have fashionably correct. You know how it goes.
This artist singing R&B. What genre of music?
She does R&B and hip hop.
R&B and hip hop. You excited about tonight?
Always. I'm always excited, especially on a nice event like this.
Right.
I'm ready. It's good.
Well, welcome to the red carpet, and thank you for joining OHP TV.
All right, thank you, sir. I appreciate you.
My man, thank you. All right, let me know when you get here. Up here on the red carpet, they say you're not supposed to wear white, but I'm gonna wear white anyway because this how we do. How you doing, Dre?
I'm doing good. How you doing? About yourself?
Man, you all over the place this weekend, bro. You getting your artists put on, aren't you?
Yeah, gotta grind. That's the only way.
You out here?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Here. Hold on.
Bring him on. There you go. Now look, I did a lot of Googling you last night, big boy. You are putting it in. Your Instagram is bananas.
Yeah, it is.
And you got a little skit, you give them little teasers up there.
Yeah, just a little bit. It wasn't ever 2 songs, so it's plenty more to come than that.
Well, I always like your performance. I heard it last night, heard it again a few minutes ago. You're doing your thing, bro. You're going to go a long way, man.
I thank you.
Yeah, no doubt. Tell the people that don't know how to get in touch with you.
You can follow me everywhere. Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, YouTube, Anthony C. Hayes. ANTHONYCHAYES.
Anthony Hayes with his team, the squad. They right here with your Mr. DJ Doc Dice on the red carpet at ATL's hottest.
Don't